Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this beautiful turquoise, very summery bracelet. It's very easy to make. If you have some unused beads, you can make this bracelet too. Just simply use some beads and thread. That's all the material you need. Okay, I'll just show you how to do this bracelet, okay? The material you need to prepare is some beads. The beads I use is a turquoise colored beads, about 8mm in width, and obviously whatever beads are available to you, you can use it. And some thread, the color you prefer. Okay, the string length. You need to cut 1.5 meter. You need two group. Each group have four lots of 1.5 meter. That's 22 beads available. 2 beads aside for them, and the rest of I use the 20 beads. Okay, 20 beads altogether. That's the thing. I had pre-cut it. You can see it. That's 4 strand. That's 4. Okay. In this you need all the way prepare together. Prepare 1.5 meters together. Okay. That's that 1.5 meters. Then double it. Then you just You do that one. What we're going to do is because that's no way they're going to through these beads. What we're going to do is find a lot trick to do that. You find a needle. Go through it. This piece of thread. Then you go through. Then you go. I take all the background things. You can see it. Okay. Then this background thing, this green thread, and going through there. Make sure they're in the middle, okay? This allowed it to lead the thread going through the beads. Then you just tie the knot. Okay, do that. Tie the knot. You can see it. This way the thread will go through the beads. I'll show you a example. With that. Show example. You can see it's really easily to lead through. Okay. Okay, you do that's one sorted. You do exactly the same thing with another group, another lot of thread. Okay. Okay, I have to complete them now. 2 group, as that's the thing I did. Okay. To the end, and put a knot on each group of them. That's 2. What you need to do is tie them together. Form one knot. Now. Okay, so we're going to work on that. You can see one of them have beads on them, so we're going to attach beads first to start with. You can actually just put 2 needles through. Yeah. So that will stay there. Okay, I stay there. We're going to leave roughly about 10 centimeters here. Okay, with the bead side here, we're going to leave it 10 centimeters, about 4 inches here. We're going to apply another knot now. Yeah, just a simple knot. The knot everybody can do. Just go around your fingers. like that. Lead it through. Another lot trick I won't tell you. If you can find something metal and quite smooth, you can go through it. Go through it. This way allows you do it neatly. The thread on there neatly. So then you release it. Then you also can go up down as well. Okay, also can go up down. Then you kind of just release it. The knot will look so much better, neat and tidy. This leading to 2 needles. Go work on the beads. Okay, and the thread like that is very fiddling to work on, like that. The best thing is you can put some water. If you don't put on water, it's just like that. And if you get a bit glass, a bit water, you can actually just wet it a little bit, wet it. Then this will allow the thread together. It's a lot easy to work on. So they're not split like that. They're very, very fiddling. When I tried, it's really hard to work with. If you put on a bit water, and when you finish your work, it will naturally dry, but it will make the work a lot easier. Okay, if you try it, you will know why. Okay, now we're going to work on the beads now, and you get 1 bead, and just place on your finger. Get the hole on the 2 sides, right, left. It just cross work. It's quite easy. Just do that. One and one side, and you crossed here, and another one cross another side. If you can hold it tight, let the needle freely go through, so they don't touch the thread. If the catch the thread inside, might be not as smooth as you wished. Okay, if you can hold it tight. Okay, that's 1 bead done. Okay, just another one. We're going to do 1 by 1 first. Okay, go to let it go through. Then you hold it. Okay, hold it. So don't hold it. So give you a clear place. Let another needle go through, so the needle don't catch the thread on the way. Okay, that's 2. And just keep going like that. Just cross wire, really. You cross it. And hold it tight. Try not let the needle catch it. And just repeat the whole process like that. Nearly finished. We've got last 2 to do. Okay. Okay, we finished all 20 beads now. You just put them secure, push them all nice and even and secure. What you do next is just give a knot. Give it a simple, easy knot. Let it 2 needles go through in. And make sure the knot is tight to the end of the beads. Okay, so what you need to do, use this piece of metal stick to help you. Okay, once they're very close to the beads, then you can release it. In that way, it's sure it's going to be tight. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put these beads on the end. Just put them 2 needles through, be fine. Needs in the end, and we'll just put a knot on about 10 centimeters. Put a knot. Let this help you to have a neat knot. Then release it. Then you can cut the end now, and another side as well. Cut the end. And what you need to do is now it's secure the ends. Secure the end. You just need an adjustable knot on the end. Do a simple knot like that. Get through. Then get another bead through as well. Okay, this will be an adjustable knot. Make sure they are put this rod through so the knot is tight and tidy as well. And do that and just let it go. The whole thing is to help you. Is help you make sure the knot is tidy. Okay, then that's it. If you think the hair a bit too long, you can short it. Just simply put a knot on the end, something like that. That's the one we just made. It is adjustable. You can see like that. A little really pretty little bracelet we just made. Pretty, huh? Thank you very much for your support. Bye.